In this video, I'm taking a look at a 2400 watt 10 amp surge protector. It has 6 spaced outlets and 5 USB ports. So each one of the USB ports is a 2.4 amp. It'll detect automatically and charge up to that speed for whatever the device you have connected. It has an 18 gauge 6-foot cord. You can see the cord is angled, so putting this behind furniture is not going to be a problem. On the bottom you have 4 rubber feet. It's going to protect your surface, and they're also keyholes, so it can be mounted sideways or vertically depending upon what orientation works best for you. It does have a toggle switch for power, and it appears to have a brushed finish on the top surface and a glossy black finish on the sides. Alright, so we have a less than pretty demonstration set up here. I have 3 things plugged in to the outlets. So I have 2 laptops and a flashlight, and then I have all 5 of the USB ports. One is powering the light that is illuminating the actual scene here. One is charging this keyboard. One is charging this power bank. One is charging this fan. And another is charging one of the laptops. You can also see the other 2 laptops. So I've got power going here and charging. Power going here and charging. You can see power here and charging. And you got charging, charging, power, charge, and charge. So all devices simultaneously, one unit. It's very compact, good for storage and portability. It has multiple certifications, and it has multiple protections such as overheating, fire retardant material. It's also surge resistant. It's going to help protect all of your connected devices, and of course you can use it for a multitude of devices simultaneously without issue.